Betrayal can be your greatest teacher if you do this instead. They looked you in the eyes and lied. They held your hand with one while hiding a knife in the other. And you trusted, you opened, you gave. That's what hurts the most, doesn't it? Not just the act itself, but the choice they made, the choice not to love you the way you loved them. Betrayal feels like dying with your eyes wide open. It breaks something sacred, not just the bond, but the version of you that believed in them. The version of you that believed love would be enough. But listen closely. This pain, this fire in your chest, it doesn't come to destroy you, it comes to awaken you. Because betrayal doesn't just reveal who they are, it reveals who you are becoming. You see, the pain isn't the enemy. Denial is. Anger isn't the trap. Attachment is. Sadness isn't weakness. It's truth trying to speak. What if this betrayal wasn't a punishment but a summoning? What if your heart didn't break but cracked open so something greater could come through? Yes, they betrayed you, but that doesn't get to define you. What you do with that pain does. You can harden or you can heal. You can close or you can choose to rise, not in spite of the wound, but through it. And here's the truth most people never tell you. Betrayal is a mirror. It shows you where your boundaries were too thin, where your worth was too negotiable, where your love was too self-forgetting. And yes, it hurts, deeply, because part of healing is mourning who you thought they were, but the other part? It's becoming who you're meant to be. Wiser, stronger, more sacredly selfish, more ferociously honest, less available to fake love, more devoted to real, radical self-respect. Don't let their lie turn you into someone you're not. Let it turn you into someone you finally are. Because pain has a strange way of refining what peace never could. It burns away the illusion. It clears the fog. It strips the noise. It teaches you to sit with yourself when no one else does, to find home in your own chest, to stop begging for breadcrumbs and start baking your own bread. This is not the end of your softness. It's the beginning of your powerful softness. The kind that says, I can love deeply, but I will not abandon myself for it. I can forgive, but I will not forget who I am. I can move forward, but only if it's towards truth. So breathe. Let the tears fall. Scream if you have to, but then stand up, straighten your back, and say, thank you for showing me who you are, so I could finally remember who I am. You are not here to be broken. You are here to break patterns. You are not here to stay silent. You are here to speak your soul. You are not here to shrink. You are here to expand beyond betrayal. Let this pain be your turning point. Let this betrayal be your reintroduction, because this is not your downfall, it's your becoming, call to action, emotional. If this spoke to your heart, don't scroll past. Let it sit with you. Let it move you. And when you're ready, share this with someone who needs to remember their own strength, because betrayal doesn't win when it leads you back to yourself.